Hey guys, what's up and welcome to the Phil Studio. Today is a great day because I'm going to show you how to make a little tool to get you started into the making of your own guitar effects pedal or bass pedal. And what is cool is that this tool is not only for those musician guitar player. It will get really useful for anyone who want to get started into the making of audio circuit and stuff. So let's go. So here we are at the table at my bench. I really wanted to explain the process while I was making it, but I found this breadboard was already all set with a 1/4 jack connector on the left side and one on the right side. They ease the process of plugging and unplugging your guitar for input and output. As you can see, everything is like hot glued. I'm not a fan of hot glue, but when it comes to just hold your wire in place, it just do the job perfectly fine. So I have my input jack here. Everything is grounded to a long rail. If you don't know how to use a breadboard, do not worry, it's something I have another video of me explaining how a breadboard works. I'm going to link the video into the description of this video, so don't worry. So first of all, the ground of the jack is grounded here. All these rail, the blue one is the ground, and up here you have the red terminal, which is going to this rail, which can serve as a positive voltage. We have this green one which serve as a ground, and it's connected to all these rail except for this one in the top, which is the black terminal, which, well, can serve as a negative voltage. We have three terminals here which serve as for the power of this breadboard. Here I have one left. I was thinking about maybe making a little probe, like to ease the process of probing with the scope. My scope is always nearby. I have a small one and a bigger one. I mentioned the negative voltage here, and if you don't have a dual polarity supply, you can find my tutorial online on how to build yourself plus 15 and minus 15 dual polarity supply. I also have that homemade dual variable power supply, so it's not a problem. But if you don't feel comfortable making it yourself, I got another tricks. You can use your lab power supply, and I'm going to show you. I have another video in which I convert a 9-volt to a minus 9-volt, which is really convenient when designing audio circuit or working with operational amplifier. And if you really don't have all the tools, you don't have your bench power supply, you can always use 9-volt battery. It will work perfectly fine to test your circuit. Just make sure that you don't make any short, because you will just discharge all the battery, and the battery is not protected as a power supply, but you should be safe. That's pretty much about it for these terminal here. Here we have the input jack, which goes to the center of this 3-position switch. In the center it's off. To the left, you're just bypassing the signal, and you're sending the instrument or the signal from the jack right through the output. But if you put it to the right, well, you're using this little wire here, which you can put anywhere you want in the breadboard, and this wire becomes your input. So you can move it anywhere on your board if you're designing something. And then to close the loop and send your signal to the output, well, you use this pin here. Wherever the output of your circuit is, you can plug it. That's pretty much about it for the pimped or the upgraded breadboard I have here. Just ease the process of designing audio circuit, especially if you use a guitar. You have the jack properly made. So you just plug your jack in there. From your guitar, you play, you misplace something, you just put it off, you change the IC, you change some component, then you're back on, and this can go to your little amplifier. What I suggest is building the LM386 audio amplifier. This is just perfect. It works on a 9-volt battery, it's safe. There is enough power in this little operational amplifier so you can hear what you're doing. So that's all, guys. It was fairly easy. So I just presented like a tool that you can make at home. You don't even need that switch. You can have a wire directly and just connect it. And like if you want to short the input to the output, just connect them in series and you bypass your effect. It just eases the process of creating and designing stuff like quicker. You don't have to set all your breadboard, cut a 1/4 jack and like plug it in there. I have the experience with testing guitar stuff on the breadboard, and it's really nice to have your jack already set up. And in upcoming videos, I'm going to show you like how to create a buffer, a really easy preamp for your guitar to boost a little bit the signal of the guitar and adjust the impedance. And also I'm going to show you how to convert a 9-volt to a -9-volt if you don't have a dual polarity supply. So stay tuned, guys. See you.